If you're Eritrean, you probably heard about Bologna, but let me tell you how it all started. When we think about the history of the relationship between Italy and Eritrea, the first thing that comes to mind is colonization. But did you know that Italy actually offered a significant support to the 30-year struggle for independence? Well, not the whole country, but one region in particular. With the advancement of the struggle, Eritreans all over the world were looking for a place to gather that was in between all the places that they have migrated from, and Italy looked like a pretty good choice. The central government of Rome denied the support to the Eritrean revolutionary group, but the region of Emilia-Romagna, which had more open and leftist view, supported and welcomed Eritreans, hosting the festival, starting in 1974.
Sindacati, organizzazioni non governative, movimenti di fratellanza e di solidarietà sono nati proprio in Emilia-Romagna per accompagnare questa guerra eritrea.
And the city chosen was Bologna. Bologna is a beautiful historic city in the heart of Italy, in which the people is just as amazing as its food. Starting from 1974, between 15 and 20,000 Eritreans from all over the world gathered in Bologna for a week-long of celebration, unity, and shared struggle.
Questo posto era enorme, pieno di teste nere, facce nere, tutti eritrei. Pensavamo di essere in Asmara, pensavamo di essere a Keren.
They updated, debated, and celebrated each other, but most of all, learned about and supported each other. Something we need a little more of today.
طفنا فرنعتنا عالم دل إرترا وخمد أنا السلاحبات تكبر كله ناخذنا نتي سميئون هارفون دلو زيمون بالهاجرون خنس أوتو مدب درجة غيرنا لنا.
Although Bologna features some of the most legendary Eritrean musicians, actors, and comedians, the true star of the festivals were the freedom fighters. Some temporarily left the battleground to come to Bologna and become the ambassadors of the struggle, and they were celebrated and honored for their sacrifice. But the support of the region of Emilia-Romagna wasn't just that of a hosting partner. Support even went all the way to Eritrea, flying in injured soldiers to offer medical care. In 1991, Eritrea gained its independence. 1991 might have been the last year Eritreans gathered in Bologna, but they have not forgotten the city that has helped them during the struggle. They have dedicated a street to Bologna in a liberated capital of Eritrea.
Culture is cool.